Om. Namaste. Today we are going to pick up a very important subject because the time has come for that. I am not going to talk anything. We have already discussed this very particular important subject last year almost at the same time. On 3rd of September 2020, we had uploaded a detailed video on a topic, A Place for You with Mahavatar Babaji. This was a very important video for those who are 50 plus age and who are maturing little spiritually, understanding that we are only visitors here. We are not the owners here. We have lot of burdens. We need to unload lot of karmas, or we have to pay our debts to the lineage which brought us to this particular world or this particular planet. That lineage needs to be respected because ours is such a rich tradition. Even for a small lamp which gives or which throws light around us, we respect, pray, and very respectfully we switch off that particular lamp. That is a culture in which we have been bound, we have been brought up. I will only give you the link of that particular video in the description of this particular video from the coming Tuesday, that is from 21st September 2021 to 6th October 2021. These 15-16 days are earmarked as Pitru Paksha, the days dedicated totally exclusively for the departed souls from our family. About the ancestors and their worship, we have in detail discussed in the video what I am giving in the description column. There are 3 or 4 routes, 3 or 4 branches. One is keeping the Pitrus or the ancestors happy, fulfilled, giving them rice, tilatarpana and water, nothing other than that. This is, you can call it as worship, paying your debts or whatever it is. Paying tributes to Guru is another way. Worshipping gods and involving in puja and celebration is another way. Following a tradition of yoga, tantra, creating awareness spiritually, respecting all the divinities is another way. In each one of that, including dana dharma, the alms giving, the charity, the food serving, mainly due to the poor persons, in addition to animals like cow, dogs, cats, or any other domesticated animals, or any animals when we sight them, monkeys, birds, any animal, any living thing, is a kind of service expanding our karuna activity or our compassion activity. With these things in mind, this 15 plus 1 day, which is going to end in Mahalaya Amavasya on the 6th of October 2021, falling on Wednesday, the Pitru Paksha will operate and conclude, bringing lot of cheers for the next years, removing all those mistakes we committed towards our departed parents and elders and ancestors, seeking their blessings in several ways, not one or other ways, whether you are in India or you are in Ethiopia or you are in US or you are in Canada and Australia, whichever part of the globe you are there on this planet Earth, you will be connected to them, their grace will fall on you. So please go to the description column. I am not giving any other details in this description in this today's video. Just click the link patiently, go through the video in whichever way possible for you. Offer your oblations, offer your tributes, offer your rituals supported by some kind of almsgiving, food serving to poor persons, including animals and birds. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.